we can see on our WTI crude oil. Let's try and see where our price will be moving for this week. Now we can see one thing is that I once analyzed there when I was analyzing our WTI crude oil. I also took here as our support level here, and I also took here as our resistance level here. Once our price range within this area here, so one way or the other, it broke up, we pushes up, then it came down. As I see that our price fell, right, it tested this our once support level, and now it pushes up, and now again it has now broken below our support level here. So if we are to see this trend now, we can see that we are actually on a downward trend. As we can see it from here downward, we saw this push up, push down, push up, impulse move, correction moves, impulse move, correction move. So basically on the daily time frame, we are actually on a downward trend, and we should consider taking sell only. We should actually consider to short our crude oil. Exactly what we should be looking for. So now one thing is that our price broke below it, and once we know that once our price breaks below our support or our resistance, it must come back to test that area here, and you can see we've actually gotten this retestment. Our price has broken below it and come to retest it. We are now aiming to go bearish this week again. Exactly what I am seeing, waiting for, will probably be happening this week. And let's sit on this full time frame. Let's see if our price will actually be able to take out this 84.08. We are currently trading at 94.45. If our price can possibly hit 84.04 on our WTI crude oil for the week, I think that is actually okay. So one thing, we've actually saw a break below it, a retracement, and we are now having to see a fall on our WTI crude oil. So that is my analysis for the week. If you find it helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video.